Reviewing old Mac chat history and dealing with an iChat file from Apple's legacy messaging app. These contain conversation logs from a discontinued chat application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access these iChat conversation log files. Quick sidebar, for future protection, I urge you to look into a quality universal file opener. This type of program is crucial for recovering iChat files with corrupted internal metadata. An ICHAT file is a chat transcript saved by Apple's ICHAT application, the precursor to the modern Messages app on macOS. Users encounter these files when they have saved a conversation log from an older Mac. The primary intent is to view the historical content of a text or video chat session. The ICHAT format is a proprietary binary file based on Apple's property list, PLIST structure, often XML-based. It was designed to store rich chat data, including formatted text, timestamps, sender information, and references to attachments like images or files, creating a self-contained record of the entire conversation for archival purposes. The ICHAT data container is optimally managed by ICHAT, messages developed by Apple. Only basic attributes are visible within the standard Windows File Explorer. Windows presents only minimal context, so full interpretation relies on compatible tools. Your reliable starting move is the Open With action. Right-click the iChat file and select Open With. If iChat/messages is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. We must find the app that claims the file. The easy part is over. Now for the detailed inspection. Let's run through these 3 necessary troubleshooting checks right now. First, opening in Messages. On modern macOS systems, double-click the iChat file to open in the Messages application, which inherited iChat's archive format. Messages displays the conversation with original formatting, timestamps, and participant information. Browse Messages to review the conversation, history search for specific content, or copy text for use in other applications. Next, examining as text. ICHAT files often contain readable text and may open in TextEdit or other text editors revealing conversation content. The text may be formatted with markup or wrapped in container syntax, depending on ICHAT version. This approach works as a fallback when Messages cannot open the file, though, without the polished message display interface. Finally, converting to modern format. Use the Messages application or third-party utilities to export ICHAT archives to standard formats like plain text PDF or HTML. The exported files become accessible across platforms and software, ensuring long-term preservation of conversation history. This is particularly important as ICHAT format support may diminish in future macOS versions, affecting access to historical chat archives. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.